Your body is wiser and more powerful than you realize, even after 60, 70, or 80 years. The problem isn't your age. It's the disconnection that slowly builds between your mind, your nerves, and your internal rhythm. For years, you've carried stress, habits, and hidden imbalances without noticing how they disturb your natural healing systems. Deep inside, your body still remembers how to sleep deeply, digest smoothly, eliminate gently, and restore balance overnight. The problem is that these systems have been interrupted, and unless they're reset, symptoms like frequent nighttime urination, light sleep, tossing and turning, and sudden awakenings become more and more common. Doctors often blame age, but that's not the real story. Your bladder, kidneys, hormones, and nervous system still have the ability to work in harmony. You give them the right signal. Every organ in your body responds to communication from your nervous system. When that communication weakens, even slightly, your bladder becomes jumpy, overreactive, and easily triggered at night. The bladder is supposed to relax and stay calm while you sleep. But in many seniors, a small but powerful miscommunication occurs. The nerves around the lower abdomen tighten, the pelvic floor loses synchronization, and the bladder starts sending false alarms. You wake up feeling pressure, even when there is barely any urine inside. This is why some nights you rush to the bathroom only to release a few drops. It's not because your bladder is full, it's because your nerve pathways have become irritated and overactive. This is where the forgotten wisdom of your body comes in. For generations, healers understood that gentle stimulation of certain points could restore communication between organs and nerves. One of the most powerful of these points lies near the inner ankle, connected directly to the bladder meridian and pelvic nerve line. When this point is massaged daily, especially before bed, it signals the bladder to relax, the pelvic nerves to calm down, and the entire urinary system to reduce nighttime activity. It's like pressing a reset button on your bladder's nighttime behavior. Many seniors notice changes within days, fewer awakenings, deeper sleep, and a dramatic drop in nighttime bathroom trips. Your body responds because it wants to heal. It just needs the right guidance. Think about how much strain your bladder goes through over the years. Caffeine, dehydration, tension, poor posture, medications, stress, and hormonal shifts all disrupt the delicate balance it needs to function correctly. Yet the solution is not always a pill or a restriction. It's often a reconnection. When you activate the ankle bladder point, you restore the internal flow of signals that tell your bladder it is safe. You can rest now. This simple massage improves circulation, calms nerve irritation, and helps oxygen reach tissues that have been tight for years. And when the nerves calm down, the bladder stops panicking. You begin to sleep longer without interruptions. You wake up more refreshed, less irritated, and more energetic. Your days feel smoother because your nights are finally peaceful. Restoring your bladder rhythm also improves your confidence, your mood, and your overall comfort. When you don't have to run to the bathroom at night, your heart works less, your blood pressure remains steadier, and your REM sleep lasts longer. That deep sleep is where real healing happens: memory repair, immune support, hormone balancing, and emotional processing. Seniors who fix their nighttime urination often report clearer thinking, fewer afternoon crashes, better digestion, and stronger balance when walking. Everything in the body is connected, and when you finally sleep through the night, those connections awaken again. You are not broken, and your bladder is not failing. You are simply out of sync. And the moment you restore that sync, everything begins to change. Your body is built to recover, and with a simple daily practice, like targeted ankle massage, you allow your inner systems to communicate properly again. Healing does not stop at any age. In fact, your body is waiting for you to finally give it the right signal so it can do what it was designed to do: repair, restore, and rebalance. When you reconnect with this natural intelligence, your nights become calmer, your mornings brighter, and your life noticeably easier. The path to peaceful sleep and a calm bladder isn't complicated. It's about awakening the signals your body has been trying to send you all along.